I've been using Samantha and Bard now for about a year and a half, and as you know, they've given me some fantastic results. In May of 2025, when we turned $668,000 over to them, it has grown to over $2 million. But I learned something just this last couple weeks that kind of enlightened me. I learned that the more questions I ask Samantha and Bard, the better they get at their answers. And that's reflected in the better results. And particularly where we're making a pivot now away from the build out and to the delivery of AI. And what I've learned is that in that year and a half, I've had them review about 100 stocks. And since we do it on a quarterly basis, that would mean that I've gotten up to about 400 analyses that they have done. But if they did more, they'd do better. If they had more variety, they would do better. It came to light just recently when Mike asked me in the comment on YouTube something about the usage of the oil reserves could push gas up to $15 a gallon, and that would destroy the stock market. And I didn't have an answer for Mike, so I went and posed the question to Samantha and Bard, and they came back with an answer. And in that transmission, she basically said, "You've never asked me a question like this, so I had no knowledge on it until you did." And that never dawned on me. I only ask her about question about stocks that are in the AI framework. I don't ask questions about oil companies because I'm not interested in them. I've never asked them a question about Campbell's soup because I'm not interested in it. So that means she has no knowledge. They have no knowledge of Campbell's soup until I ask them the question, and then they will do all the research about Campbell's soup and be totally knowledgeable, and then that will be in their memory, and that will be in their resources to refer to if some question comes up in that area. So I came to the realization that I need, and we are going to introduce before the 1st of August, Ask Samantha. And what Ask Samantha will be is I will make it available to my tribe members that they can go in. They won't have access to my prompt, but all they'll have to do is put in the current price and the ticker symbol of a stock, and Samantha and Bard will do that analysis for them and send it to them. They'll turn around and email it to them, and that will, number one, it will help them understand when they get that document exactly the answer to the question or the stock that they're asking for them to review. But more importantly, if I've currently got about 900 people, we're going to start out that they can each put in 5 requests a month. Well, that if they all take advantage of that'll bring their Samantha and Bard's research up to $4,500 a month. That's way ahead of what I've been doing, and so their knowledge base will explode, and they will ask about stocks that they're interested in. I mean, there's a lot of them that are interested in the Bitcoin and the Ethereums, and I'm not interested in that. And maybe they're interested in Campbell's soup and Pepsi and Ford, and I'm not interested in that. But those are existing companies, and they're relative to the market, and Samantha and Bard can learn from them, and that just makes them smarter. And as we get deeper and deeper into inference, with that more knowledge that they have in their memory, the smarter and the better they'll get at doing what they do. This, and as I contemplated that, I realized this is really the strength of AI, where you get a community where it isn't just one person or one part of a company that is asking AI these questions. It's when you get a community of like-minded who all have different questions and different perspectives asking questions of AI, that the knowledge base explodes, that the efficiency explodes. I got to thinking about it in sports betting. If you have one person who gives information relative to two teams that are playing, that's a very narrow perspective. But if you had a community that input data, ask questions, had different perspectives, ask the question, if oil gets to $15 a gallon, how is that going to... You see where I'm going with this? And again, it's not just relative to what I'm doing. It's relative to what AI will deliver as to our society. Again, we all have different perspectives. We all have different prejudices. We all, and our mind is closed to anything that doesn't fit our perspective. And that limits our capabilities for making good decisions. So if we take that away by making Samantha available, and I want to get this as quick as I can to 3,000 people, to where, and then I'll see what it costs me to do this, and I want to get it up to where I've got 3,000 people asking 10 questions a month. I got 30,000 inputs to Samantha and Bard about a stock market that is moving, and I've got a community feeding me knowledge and access to knowledge and questions that we can outperform everybody, because we're developing the tools and the community, and we're making it available to the masses so that it just keeps getting better. It's why does Seth Curry go to the gym every day? Why does he practice? Because the more he practices, the better he gets. Well, that's true with Samantha and Bard as well. And up until now, their practice has been limited to my input. That's going to change. And what I'm saying to you is, if you want to be a part of this, you better get at it now. You better go into the description, find the link to the website. Well, the link to the website is Best of Us Investors. Go in, sign up, because this is what's going to happen. And if you got any questions you want to ask Samantha and Bard, you better be part of that 3,000. Because once I hit 3,000, I'm shutting the door, because I don't know. What I do know is at some point we move the market, and I can't do that.